House. This little two-story brown boathouse was used by the bodyguards and chauffeurs of the famous gangster mobster of Chicago, Al Capone. Mr. Al Capone used to live on the mansion more towards the center of the property. He lived here from 1927 all the way to 1947. Cool thing about the property, and the thing I like to mention the most, is that he has a system of underground tunneling connecting the bodyguard's house with the main residency, making it very easy for Mr. Al Capone to escape during emergencies. A la mano izquierda de la embarcación van a ver una casita marrón de 2 pisos usada por los guardaespaldas y choferes del famoso gangster monster de Chicago, Al Capone. El señor Al Capone vivió en la residencia más al centro de la propiedad y vivió aquí desde 1927 hasta 1947. Peculiaridad de la mansión, y lo que me gusta mencionar, es que tiene un sistema de túneles subterráneos conectando la guarida de los guardaespaldas con la residencia principal del señor Al Capone, haciéndole muy fácil sus escapadas en casos de emergencia.
I'm not going to Rebecca in this heat.
Oh, you're not?
Probably not. I mean, I would. That wasn't on the menu for this afternoon.
Oh, that's what Lori said. I guess she thought it was.
I thought they wanted to do the beach.
We do. Oh, okay. Well, then beach is on the menu. Beach.